oh boy, it's like ages ago.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a while ago. At the time, at least, there were like these extremely educational amp building tutorials on YouTube, but you would fall asleep 3 minutes into it. You know, it's like they were so boring, so like uninteresting, but it was like valuable information. So I thought, why not just like take that valuable information or whatever and turn it and make it entertaining? And I think that's where everything started. Yeah.
Your amps got some good reviews in some cool magazines out there.
Yes,
but then you abruptly announced we are closing doors. Why did you choose so?
What happened?
Yeah.
Together with the passion of, together with building amps, there was another passion brewing that was, I would say, that was always there. And as I was building the amps, I slowly started meddling with that thing, and I was in photography and videography, obviously, because like I had to use it for the videos, right, on the YouTube channel. But all of a sudden, I think what happened is that it evolved into a business by the fact that my photography got noticed by a stock agency at the time, which was a startup by the name of Stocksy. And it's not like it wasn't something that, oh, I got tired of building amps, because I loved building amps. I still miss it. I still tinker, I still dream about actually.
Yeah.
So it's not that thing sort of like, I think the part of the business is what started to wear me down, because to grow, especially back in the heydays of boutique amp buildings, you had to go to, amp conventions, to NAMM, to invest in that sort of like next level in your business, which I wasn't prepared to do, because I was more of a, I want to build these things. I wasn't much invested in the business side of the venture.
Actually, what you're saying, that there's a time where you can stay a boutique amp builder, but this grows into a business that needs marketing, management, presence, online presence, what you were talking about, being part of shows, and if what I understand is that you grew to this place and you said, whoa, wait a second. I want to stay boutique. I want to stay in the workshop. I want to develop, and this is not possible. So I rather close than becoming a regular amp business.
That's right. Yes,
okay.
that was exactly it. And that was actually you and I, when we traveled through Europe one day, you came up with the idea of, hey, why not just, we closed. Why don't you have anything on your website, on your homepage? And I didn't have at the time, because I just had an empty white page or something like, hey, Gabriel business is closing down.
Yeah.
And he said, why don't you put something like, we love amps more than business.
More than, right.
Yeah.
So you close down Gabriel Amps and say, we closed Gabriel Amps because we love amps more than business.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, because we didn't love the business side of it. And that's completely true. That's completely true.
We are talking about boutique amps, and this means that the guy that is building the amps is keeping contact with the artist, is doing everything. Yeah, he has a close contact with the future amp owner, and a different level is having distribution. This means that you build an amp, and this goes somewhere in stock to a distribution whatever, and then you're not building amps with musicians, you are building amps for distribution.
Exactly right. And yes, and I wasn't prepared for that. And that was one of the reasons why I on each amp I built, I typed the owner's name on the back on the serial as a serial number. I didn't have serial numbers on my amps. I had the name of the actual
Cool.
client. So all of a sudden, yeah, what's your interest in Gabriel Amps? So what's the idea behind it?
I kind of thought that Gabriel Amps should go further. And yeah, my suggestion wasn't that I let's open the business, but let's continue the story.
I was actually glad that you did that one because you helped me clean up my basement.
Wow.
And two, you just took the torch and I wasn't prepared for that. I was like, okay, that's it. You know, I'm fine. It was sad. Yeah, it was sad to let it go. You know, for all the momentum that it had and everything. But you know, it was what it was. It was a new chapter in my life. So I had to go on with it. So I was glad to hear that you are interested in Gabriel Amps, and I'm very, very excited to see what you can come up with. All right. Well, thanks for talking, and good luck with the venture and bringing the Gabriel Amps torch. And the channel, apparently the channel is still there. It still has the subscribers, right? It's still going to post stuff and so on. So good luck with everything, Emil.
Thanks. See ya.
All right, bud. Take care. Bye.